Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Let's talk about fan funding. One wrong move could take everything that you work for and cause you to become demonetized. You do not want that to happen. And in fact, there's been something going on with a invalid YouTube traffic bug or something like that. A lot of channels are becoming demonetized or at least losing their ad revenue because of this invalid traffic bug. I'm planning to do some research on that so that I could create a video to give more insight on what that's really all about. But one wrong move could ruin it all. Really, it could be anything from using copyrighted music. It could be from using different clips in your videos. Maybe you use profanity, something like that. It could be something as simple as marking something wrong on your channel. Maybe you marked it as made for kids or you didn't and it was made for kids. Anything that could happen, one wrong move can ruin everything and demonetize your channel. A lot of us are using this as a way to create income and to build our second income as a side hustle, in it for the long term. And so one of the things that I'm learning to do on my channel along my journey is just do what makes sense. A lot of things are really simple, and if it doesn't make sense, it's usually not the truth, right? Just Judy talks about that a lot. But if it doesn't make sense to do, I usually don't like to do it. And usually some things are just common sense. Using other people's material without permission, it just makes sense for me not to do that. All right, I wouldn't want anybody to use my music, copyrighted music, without my permission. So that one thing that you can do on your channel could take everything away. So what you want to do is make sure you're following those guidelines, using everything that you can, elevating your channel to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. Next level mindset in everything that we do. And by the way, if you're new here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and make it official. Let's stay monetized together. We'd love to have you here in the family of Next Level. There are so many content creators who are doing this thing in and out, getting burnt out. There's a way that you could avoid that. As a matter of fact, check out this video right here, how to avoid being burnt out, what they don't tell you. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out, enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. I would not be here without you. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.